Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I am a huge fan of anything that's going to save me time and cut down on my beauty regimen steps. So let me present to you FEG Accelerating Mascara. Now before, I used to put serum on my eyelashes at night. But what's so great about this is that it's a combination of mascara and a serum for the eyelashes. So I really feel like you save time, you save an extra step putting it on with your mascara. Another thing that I really loved about this mascara is how it's waterproof and smudge proof. But yet at the same time, whenever you want to go wash your face and dry it off, then it comes off easily. I've been using this mascara now for a couple of weeks. I really do like it. It is not clumpy, it isn't runny, it goes on very smooth, and I'm a huge fan, and that is just my point of view.